Hello viewers, I'm Roxanne Ahmed. Actually last month I have get admitted in here for doing my IELTS course, and it was a class program. It's for 20 days course. So I had admitted to get prepared for my IELTS exam, and I have attended the exam and I have got the score 6.5. And actually this institute is totally different than other institute in Dhaka, because when I have came to see that how many institute in Dhaka, so I have looked for the good one, because I had not that much time, but I have to appear the exam. Then finally I have got the information from one of my friends that you can go and have a look in there. And when I came here and I saw all the staff in here and all the teachers, they were so cooperative. And not only that, they after the class, if you could understand anything, they just try to their level best to teach you that, to make you understand that topics. And they are really so helpful. And it was 20 days class program, but I had attended only 10 days. But in 10 days, how I had improved myself with the help of them, only I know that. But if you are looking for any institute where you can go and go for any class program before your IELTS exam, definitely you can come here to have a look, and you can go for the trial class as well. But I'm really thankful to this institution, all the teachers and all the staff in here. I'm really thankful.